Good morning, afternoon, or evening, and welcome back to Lamb's Cryptoverse. There's a reason I'm showing you my Lamb branding icon here, and it's all going to come together once I talk to you about Fedex. So let's talk about it. This just came out. Just came out September 15th. Over the last hour, the market was weak, and after the market closed, FedEx came out with this news. First of all, it's seeking out for saying that FedEx stock went down 12%. Well, it's now down, I believe, 15%. Let's go to it. It's down 15% after hours, and it's down 20% over the last year, and 21% year to date. And that's without the 15% drop after hours. So what's going on? So we're going to get the news right now. It's this. Post-market, they had an earnings miss. The earnings miss was so bad, they had to issue a preliminary announcement. And I'm going to talk to you a little about it later. I'll have someone else talk to you about it. Let's go to it right now. Yahoo Finance is going to talk to you about it, and you can see what I'm talking about.
Here first, we got to start off with FedEx, because as you can see, FedEx shares dropping just around 13%. The reason that we're seeing this huge drop is because the company preliminary reported its quarterly results. The headline here, the fact that FedEx is withdrawing its full year 2023 earnings forecast. A huge reason why the stock is sinking here after hours. For the first quarter, it wasn't too strong here of a performance from FedEx. They missed on both the top and bottom lines. Adjusted EPS of $3.44. The street was expecting $5.10. Revenue also just a bit light, $23.2 billion.
Okay, that's enough of that. There's a lot to talk about here, so I'll talk about it quickly. Number one, they missed on the top and the bottom. Two, they withdrew their guidance. And three, they're going to have to cut CapEx, so things are so bad. And number four, if you look here, you can go to Seeking Alpha and you can read this. But number four, not only did they have to take immediate cuts, but they noticed, I'm trying to see where it was, here it is. Not only was global volume weak, but it worsened in the final weeks of the quarter. So this is really, really bad. So why am I telling you this, and why do I start with this sheep? Because FedEx is a bellwether, and the definition of a bellwether goes back, it harkens back to when people had flocks of sheep, and the bellwether was that sheep in the front with the bell. And when that bell rang, it signified something was wrong. There was a warning. So that's what I want to talk to you today, that FedEx is giving a big warning that the global economy is declining rapidly. And so look out. So watch out for the ISM index. The ISM PMI index has been really strong, but after this, I think it's going to sink. Thank you all for coming to Lamb's Cryptoverse, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.